Hello guys, how are you? Happy New Year to you all. I'm really busy. Sorry, I cannot manage to share the clip on the last 2 weeks. Okay, let's go and check. Today I'm going to share the NC command. How is NC work? Let's check the man page. Okay, so when you type man page, right, NC man page, but it's showing the ncat. So the both are same. Whether you want to use the NC or you want to use ncat, is both command are the same function is actually working. So this is one of the network utility command. What we can use, you can use all this connection redirection from TCP, UNIV, any other things, everything you can use from the NC command. One of the powerful command. Okay, so you can do with the IPv4 or you want to IPv6. Actually, the main functional of the NC command, you whether you want to listen the port or you want to connect the port. Actually, this is just like a client server connection. Okay, you want to check the you want to listen the port number, then somebody will come and connect, so that you are the server, the remote server is a client. Okay, you can check this way. Also, you can use the uh just dash e command to execute the command. Does that mean you are listening on the port number, or you are listening on the one of the application, for example ext cmd.exe, so the window is listening this cmd.exe, right? You can go and connect the window command from via the Linux. So you open the backdoor inside the window operating system. So this one I will test later. Okay, just I want to go through all this thing what you can do on the nc command. Okay, so this is, you can listen the port slash dash l, and then you can use which port number you want to listen dash p. Okay, all this switch is quite easy. There is no any difficult. You want to see the verbose output, just use the dash v. Okay, you want to wait connection timeout dash v, and then there is some useful command dash k, which means accept the multiple connection in a listen mode. So it's not only for listening for one mode. When other connection drop, right, you the server will be still listening the connection. So it's quite useful. Dash k switches. Okay, so there's a lot of multiple switches you can easy to remember. Okay, let's go and test first how we can do the nc command to doing the chatting. For example, I want to open the port. I want to listen the port number. For example, port number 007. Okay, then I want to use keep connection open. Okay, sorry, port number 007, and then keep connection open dash b. Okay, so enter. Now currently we are listening on the port number 007. So and any other PC can come and connect my operating system. Okay, so just my operating system IPs I already know. So you have to type the uh dash v first. I want to see the verbose output. Okay, what is your remote IP address? So you can go and check later. I will share you the what is my IP address. Okay, so this one is, I already know this is 75.128 IP address, this server. So I will type 192.168.75.128. Okay, so missing port. Oh, sorry, I have to type the port number. What is the port number? 007. Okay, so I already connected the connection to the 192.168.75.128 IP address. So okay, this connection from here. So this connection also say that it is connected from 75.130. So this server is a 130. So it's going to connect the 128 server IP address. Okay, this is a 128 server address. So the connection is already established or succeeded. Okay, the connection already succeeded on the port number 007. Let's go and check first. Hello, how are you? So you can see from here. Okay, I can see this message from the one of the remote PC. Okay, thanks, I'm good. So this is, you can create the client server connection between the using the nc command. It's just for fun, actually not used for the chatting. This one is the clear test, right? You can see on the wire chat to everything's. So you can use the asset, just just I want to share how the NC command is working. This is just like a client server connection. Okay, so okay, fine. So see you later. So I will disconnect the connection. Okay, see you later. Then I will disconnect the connection. But you can see, right, when you disconnect the connection, sorry, I'm disconnect from the another side. So this one is already finished when you disconnect the connection. Okay, this is I'm using the dash K switches. This means when I disconnect the connection, right, it will be still listening. Let me try again. Okay, I'm roundly disconnect the connection. So I'm connected, right? So I will disable the connection from here. Okay, I will disable it, but the connection is still listening. So connection is still listening, right? I disable from here. So this is the power of dash key switch, because it will be listen the multiple connection. Okay, this time I will remove the dash key switch. I will listen only the 007. Okay, then I will connect from here. Okay, then I will exit the connection to control C. Okay, so this one also on the connection stop, which means we are using dash L to listen only one connection, not the multiple connection. Okay, you want to use multiple connections, you have to use the dash key switch. Okay, you have to use the dash key switch, so that the one you connections established from the one of the PC, right, then even the connection drop, right, then your server will be keep listening the port number 007. This is the beauty of the dash key switch. Okay, so this one is the one of the use case. Then this time I was using the NC command to checking the remote port, whether the remote port is really, or working or not. For example, just create I will check the remote port, listen the port number, which port number I want to check. I think I need to check the port number 443. Okay, so we don't need to listen, we don't want to check the connection. Dash W is timeout, dash Z, then you need to type the IP address. So this time I will check the remote port number, Google port. Okay, whether Google is opening the port number 22, just enter. So what is really something wrong? Okay, I think we don't need the dash Z connection. Okay, so we have to remove the connection set. Invalid www timeout. Www is why is invalid. Okay, let me remove first, then try again. Okay, so this is checking the remote port number for HTTP port 22. Okay, so they're checking, the first time they check, they at first of all they checking the NS lookup to, checking that one of the IP address is failed, manage to connect the port number 22. Okay, so this one also they check another IP address, then also fail. So they check another IP, so they will be keep checking all the IP, alias with the google.com. So you have to wait a few seconds, and then it will show whether they can manage to connect or not, whether the remote port 22 is open or not. Okay, so it's keep trying the remote port number. Okay, so finally they check all the IPv4 and then IPv6, finally network is unreachable, which means network is reached to this IP. I think cannot manage to check this port is whether open or not. Okay, so this time I will try the port number, change the port number to 443, so which means the HTTPS port. Let me clear the screen first. Okay, 443, then you can check, it will show connection succeeded, connected. So which means the remote port is finally not finally, actually the remote port is opening the 443 port number so that you can manage to connect from here. Okay, there is no any problem, there is port 443 open. Okay, so this is how you can check the remote port number using the NC command. Okay, for example, you want to type there, you don't want to use the domain name, right? Then you can type the IP address, any IP. Let's try the NS lookup again. Okay, so this is all this IP address just now, the NC is using the NS lookup to checking all this IP address whether the remote port 22 is open or not. Okay, so just now we managed to connect the port number 443, right, using the first IP address. So I will try the second IP address whether I can manage to connect or not. So NC dash V, so IP address is 142 dot 251 dot 10.104. So remote port number is 443. So this one also working connected. Okay, so just now 22 is not open, you can manage to connect. So but 443 is open, you can connect it and then cancel and try again the another IP. So another IP 142.251.10.106. So this time 106. Okay, this one also can connect, which means you can connect all this IP address using the port 443. So you can browse from the browser to check the HTML page. Okay, so web pages. So this is how you can check the remote server. For example, you cannot connect the remote port number 22. For example, I will choose the IP address this time with the remote IP, another IP. Okay, this is another IP address, 192 dot my local IP address. When I say dot 75 dot 130, I want to check the whether this open connection refused, which means this remote port number, this IP address is not listening that this 443 port, or maybe any other port is listening. Let me clear this one. Okay, I want to check the whether port 22 is open or not. I want to connect the SSH port. Okay, so I will connect, then it's showing that it's connected, which means the remote port is opening the port 22. And then also you can check once you connect the remote port, right, you can check the current they are using SSH, open SSH version, and all this detail version number you can check from here. So you want to enumerate some information from the remote PC, right? Even you don't know the credential, right, you can check which SSH version they are currently installed inside the remote system. So using that command to checking the remote port. Okay, quite useful, right? Just for enumeration, but or you can check whether there is any blocking firewall things or not. You can check using this NC command. Okay, so this time I will share how you can create the backdoor. So I need to open the window. So this is my window, then I will be listing the one of the command cmd.exe. So this is the cmd.exe. Okay, so I want to use the cmd.exe inside the Linux. So how you can create the backdoor? So the command is quite easy, dash l and then port number, which port number you want to use. Just try any. I want to use 007. Okay, so just use this d command is for you don't want to use the command, just put the e, then which application you want to allow to access from remotely. So this time I want to create the cmd.exe to access remotely from the Linux operating system. So enter. So I know this Windows server IP address. Let's connect from here. Okay, let's connect from here and see dash v, the remote IP address is 192.168. I forgot the IP address. 50.220. Then what is the remote port listening? You don't just now we listen the 007, right? Then enter. So finally I got the window cmd.exe. Okay, so this is I'm connected from here, but you cannot see in here anything, but because of I didn't put the dash here, there is no any variables. That's why you cannot see anything in the window there. The server side. So client side you already connect. You can see, right, C user. This is obviously the window operating system, right? C colon. So but the server side you cannot see whether the remote PC is connected or not. Okay, so I cancel it again. Let me cancel from here. I will click from the and see. Where is the NC? Okay, let's wait. I will cancel from here again. So connection refuse, but sometimes even you close it, right, the application is still running. So I need to cancel the operating system again. Wait. Okay, I cancel it. I will try again the command. Download. And actually in window, right, the nc command is not built in. You have to install and download from the internet and install it. So I already download from internet and I installed it. So listen the port number, and then what is the port number? Port number is 007 v. Then you need to type the dash e, which application you want to use. So cmd.exe. Okay, listening, so that you can see the same verbose, right? Previously there is no any verbose connection, so I will connect from here 007 again. Then I can see the connection. Then you can see, right, there is a connected from the 50.2 is a remote alien, this IP address. Oh sorry, they didn't show the connected to from alien shadow, showing only the host name. Okay, there is no any IP address from here, but I can see I can manage to connect 50.220 via the port number 007, which means port number 7, right? So this is the IP, this is the I can check some host name. So this is correct, right? This is alien share. So this is alien share. I already connected to the window operating system. Then you can manage to connect from here, right? So this is how you can, create the backdoor when you're listening from the Windows system, right? Somebody go and connect, they can easy to connect the cmd.exe, doing the remote administration and doing the remote things. So it's really good for the troubleshooting, for administrator, for also for the ATK hacker, everything. You can use this nc command, quite useful, right? Okay, so this time I was sharing how you can listen the port inside the Linux operating system. Okay, for example, in here, right, I have the Ubuntu system, so I want to choose the Linux, the Kali operating system, but I don't want to use the SSH connection. Okay, so I just want to use nc command to connect the SSH. Okay, so that's why I'm using the nc listing from here. So nc dash l dash v, just now the same command, right? Then IP address, which port you want to use, 007, then dash e slash ping bash. So I want to listen this pin bash when there's somebody's connect from the remote system, right? So enter. So it's listening there, this applications, this window bash the shell. Okay, on the server side. So remote Linux side will be go and connect from here. So dash v, what is the remote IP address? 192.168.75.130. okay, so port number is 007, then enter. So connection refuse, what does it mean? Connection refuse, connect to the 75 port. Fake connection refused. Is something wrong? Why connections refused? I think my application is something. Bin not bin bash bin sh. Okay, try again. Interesting. Why I cannot connect the 75.130? Actually supposed to connect, right? So is this something wrong? No, it's correct. Okay. So I think if something is not working, why is it keep dropping the connection? I need to troubleshoot what is really happening. Okay, so cancel again. Let me try. Why is like that? Okay, try. I have bin slash bin. I have config. So try from here. Connection refuse. Why is connections refuse? Oh, I am. I haven't listened yet. How am I connection refuse? Can connect bad connection refuse? Why connections refuse? I don't have any idea about this. Should be connect right. Okay, let's try the NC command just now we're using, right? Check NC remote IP addresses. How come its connections refuse and cannot connect? Actually it's supposed to connect the connection. Okay, I got it. I think I'm connecting the wrong. Let me disable the terminal first, then I will open back. I think some ports are listening. I need to kill it. Okay, let's try and see. Dash L dash V. What is the what is the then port number 007 dash E slash pin sh. Enter. Right. Invalid port number. What is the invalid port number? Oh, sorry, I'm put the dash. Sorry. So this is we are listening from here. Try to connect again, whether it's successful or not. Oh, still refuse. It's weird. Why still I cannot connect? Maybe IP address is incorrect. 75.128, right? Oh, I'm typing the wrong IP address. That's why. Oh, what am I, idiot? Oh my god. So okay, so this is IP address is 75.128. So I need to type the incorrect IP. This is 128.128, then IP. So connect that. Okay, succeeded already. Okay, so connection succeeded. You can see the connection from the 192.168.75.120 is connected to this 75.128 IP address. So this one is, you can see from 75.128 port. This is a remote IP address port. It succeeded this IP address. I can manage to connect to the server. Okay, so I can manage to access the Kali Linux, but I cannot see the terminal. Let's check. Who am I? So okay, this is a root user. I access the root access. Then what is the IP address? Can check. So this is IP address is 75.128. Okay, this is the Linux operating system. Okay, So you can check slash etc release star. This one I can use. I think I need to upgrade the shells. Okay, anyway, you can remote access to the connection from the Ubuntu to Kali Linux without using the SSH accessor. No such file or directory. I think slash proc, I think so. Just need something wrong. So if something wrong, right, you can see here if the command is not really working. Okay, so what state I can use host name is there Kali Linux. Okay, so this one is you can manage to access the remote connection to the Kali Linux from the Ubuntu without using the SSH connection, without using any credential. Okay, just without typing any credential, just only using the listening the bash shell, so that the remote user can manage to access the remote the server connection without using any credential and without typing any things, just connect directly using the specific port number. Okay, so that's all guys. You can check how you can work on the NC command and practice. It is really useful when you become the actual, you know, technical guys. The NC command is very useful. Okay, you practice yourself first. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you. Bye bye.